My name is Donald MacDonald. I am a consultant computer programmer and I work with Greenspace 2 days a week, and I have been doing so for the past 4 or 5 years. My main responsibility at the moment is to do with the visualization wall, which you've seen before. This is a device for linking together 5 different computers and 20 30-inch monitors into one gigantic display. And we use that so we can visualize large-scale scientific data in different and interesting ways, in a way that lots of people can come round at once and talk about it rather than be gathered around one tiny computer monitor screen. I'm a programmer, so what we've been doing so far is more or less getting the wall to work. But the ultimate goal is to have a flexible tool that we can take large-scale results from scientific data, for instance energy modelling, and think of interesting ways of visualising that so that either other scientists or indeed lay people can see this in a way that makes sense to them and then use that and develop it further. We've been doing some work with various energy companies recently, and one of them wanted to see the kind of data that we could present for their projects around the marine environment of the Hebrides, and we were putting together some data, basically sample data, showing things like wave height, wave strength, tidal strength, the weather at sea, and we wanted to visualize this in a collaborative way, and that's really what the wall was made for, so we had a slideshow which we were able to show for them. This is a really great campus to be on. I'm always thinking, particularly in the summer, but even in the winter, that it's a great place to work when you come out and you're surrounded by greenery and trees. It's an exciting campus to be on. Lots of interesting people are working here doing interesting things. The commute to work is great. I used to work in Glasgow, and believe me, this is a million times better. So I'm really lucky to be in this kind of environment here. It's a very relaxed place to work as well. In the olden days, yes, it would have been impossible to do cutting-edge science of this sort in a place like here. You'd just be too far away from other people's work. But with the internet, every research paper published anywhere in the world is available to you as soon as it's published. You can talk to people over the internet, on Skype. Email is there. It's fantastic. This place has grown from being about 2 people when I first started working here with a few consultants to being about 20 people now. And it would be nice to see that growth both be consolidated and built on, so that we bring people home here who otherwise wouldn't have this kind of opportunity to work in the islands, and that's a great thing, and I hope it can continue for a long time yet.